Hey everyone, Linus here. We all know video is king, right? But making awesome videos can be a real time and money sink. That's where AI swoops in to save the day. Imagine this, AI crafting scripts, generating cool visuals, even doing voiceovers, all while you focus on the big picture. That's the power of AI video creation. It's like having a whole production crew at your fingertips without the hefty price tag. And the best part, AI is crazy good at personalizing stuff. We're talking videos tailored to your audience, boosting engagement and views. Plus, AI never sleeps, unlike me. After a long editing session, it's all about faster content creation, without compromising quality. So whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, AI can seriously up your video game. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Okay, so you're hyped about AI video creation. Now what? Time to pick your weapon of choice. There are tons of AI video tools out there, each with its own strengths. For those dipping their toes in, Pictory is super user-friendly. It's awesome for turning blog posts into engaging videos, perfect for beginners. InVideo is another popular choice, known for its massive library of templates and images. Looking for something more advanced? Synthesia is your go-to for creating those slick explainer videos with AI avatars. It's a bit pricier, but the results are top-notch. And if you're all about realistic AI voices, Murf.ai is a beast. The key is to figure out what features matter most to you. Do you need tons of templates or hyper-realistic voices? Once you know your needs, choosing the right tool is a breeze. Every great video starts with a killer script, right? But staring at a blank page can be brutal. Good news, AI can handle the heavy lifting. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai are script writing wizards. Just feed them some basic info, your topic, key points, maybe a bit of your brand's personality, and bam! They generate multiple script options. Of course, AI isn't perfect, yet. It's important to review and tweak the script, adding your unique voice and style. Think of AI as your brainstorming buddy, not a replacement for your creativity. The best part, AI can even help you optimize your script for SEO. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and AI makes that possible. You need to hear this if you're a content creator. Even this video is AI generated. Section 4, visuals that pop, voiceovers that engage AI's creative touch. All right, you got a killer script. Now it's time to bring your video to life with visuals and voiceovers. And guess what? AI's got your back. Remember InVideo? It's not just about templates. It also offers a library of stock footage and music to make your video visually appealing. Tools like Lumen 5 even let you create animated videos from scratch. Perfect for explainer videos or social media content. And when it comes to voiceovers, Murf.ai and Lovo.ai are game changers. Choose from a variety of AI voices, tweak the tone and pacing, and boom! Professional sounding voiceovers without ever needing a microphone. The key here is to experiment and have fun. AI gives you the tools. It's up to you to unleash your creativity. Section 5. Exporting like a pro, getting your video YouTube ready. You've poured your heart and soul and maybe some caffeine into creating an awesome video. Now it's time to share it with the world. Most AI video tools make exporting a breeze. They usually offer different resolution and file format options optimized for various platforms, including YouTube. Before you hit that export button, double check a few things. Video resolution 1080p 1920 x 1080 is the sweet spot for YouTube. File format MP4 is the most compatible format. Audio levels. Make sure your audio is clear and balanced. Once your video is exported, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Choose a catchy title, write a compelling description, and don't forget to add relevant tags to help people find your masterpiece. Section 6, AI and creativity, a powerful partnership. Now, I know some folks worry that AI will replace human creativity, but honestly, I think it's the opposite. AI is like a superpower, amplifying our creative potential. Think about it. AI frees us from tedious tasks, giving us more time and energy to focus on the fun stuff, brainstorming ideas, crafting compelling narratives, and adding those personal touches that make our videos unique. It's like having a superpowered editor who never gets tired. AI helps us work smarter, not harder, so we can pour our hearts into creating content that truly resonates with our audience. So embrace the power of AI, but never forget that your unique voice and vision are what make your content special. Section 7. Lights, camera, AI action, your journey starts now. There you have it, folks. We've covered a ton of ground, from the benefits of AI video creation to finding the right tools and crafting compelling content. Now it's your turn. Don't be afraid to jump in and experiment. The world of AI video creation is vast and exciting, and there's always something new to learn. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity shine. So go out there, make some awesome videos, and show the world what you're made of. And hey, if you create something cool with AI, drop a link in the comments. I'd love to see it. Catch you in the next video.